How's it going, guys? Right then, so the wife, you know, the old ball and chain, here indoors, says to me, you can't cook. What do you mean I can't cook? Well, you can't. So I thought, right, I'm going to prove you wrong. I'm going to cook my own roast dinner. Check this out. Aunt Bessie's giant Yorkshires, look at that. What I need to do is heat it up. Aunt Bessie's sage onion stuffing balls. Heat them up. My veg, Steamfresh, microwavable. Aunt Bessie's crispy and fluffy roasties. Heat them up. And obviously for my mate, Betty Smith, look at that girl there. Oh. Betty Smith's sliced roast beef in gravy. Again, heat them up. Now, who can't cook? Got all the ingredients there, ready to cook myself the most delicious Sunday roast. Keep watching, check this out. There it is, giant Yorkshire pudding. Now for the roast beef. Look at that, all that gravy, look at that. Come on, get out. Oh, that's delicious, that, doesn't it? Get that spread out. Get them roasties in there. Bit of stuffing. Couple of roasties around the outside. Round the outside, round the outside. Remind me of a song there. Bit of veg. And top it off with a bit more gravy. Look at that. So if any of you see the old trouble and strife here indoors, the old ball and chain, also known as my lovely wife, let her know this guy can cook. Roast dinner by myself, Chef Joe. Oh yes, have a good Sunday everyone. See you in the next one.